It is Thanksgiving Eve. The table is set. The turkey is going to go into the oven shortly. But before we get to the feast, we wanted to ask our traders for the one name or sector they are thankful for on this holiday. So, Tim, vested one, start us off.
I'm thankful for higher yields. I'm thankful for fixed income. I'm thankful for asset allocation that now really makes sense. I'm thankful for not having to be, yeah, that's a great sound effect. And it's ultimately not having to be pushed into higher risk stuff. First of all, there are real yields again, and there's an opportunity to invest, whether it's corporates, whether it's munis, whether it's converts. There's a whole slew of opportunities. And I think for investors who have to live on fixed income, they are thankful for this too, because it's been financial depression for a long time.
Steve Grasso, what are you thankful for?
Grayscale Ethereum Trust. It is up 255% year to date. Obviously, you know the story behind this. They're waiting on approval to become an ETF, along with a whole list of others that want that ETF status as well. I think this goes much higher, but this has been very good for me. I am thankful for Ethereum Grayscale Trust.
Stuart, what are you grateful for?
If you're a U.S. equity investor, it's got to be large cap tech at this point. I mean, it's driven 80% of the returns year to date. It's driven upside surprises to earnings. And, you know, I think if you're being thankful for anything at this point, it's NASDAQ up 40% plus year to date, and those companies being able to just drive earnings growth well above what anybody would have expected.
And Guy?
I'm thankful that I'm the last person that has to hear that stupid bird chirp, but you can play it now. But I'm also thankful for Eli Lilly. We've been pretty steadfast for the last 4 years. I mean, Eli Lilly was a $100 stock. Nobody's talking about it. We haven't really moved that far off it. And as we're sitting here today, it's within, whisper of an all-time high. Eli Lilly is what I'm thankful for, Melms.
All right. So now that we know your favorites, what are you liking the least this holiday? What is your big turkey? Guy, what's your big turkey?
Can't wait to hear this sound. Target has gotten off the mat clearly off that last quarter, but I think this bounce is going to be somewhat short-lived. Can you do that again? That actually sort of like that.
They can do that again.
I want to know who on our team came up with that sound effect. Somebody did. Someone created that. Some human.
Is it a real bird, or is that a person imitating a bird? That's what I want to know.
That's a human turkey sound, I think.
Anyway, Guy, Lilly.
Yeah. No, Lily's the bird chirp. Target's the gobble gobble to the downside. I think this bounce in Target's going to be short-lived.
Stuart, what's your turkey?
I think it has to be U.S. banks, U.S. bank stocks. Held to maturity losses, rising deposit costs, huge capital needs, quiet deal calendar, plus the only real crisis we've had all year. So I think the banking sector has probably been the biggest disappointment for a lot of folks, especially with yields rising and the yield curve steepening, and they still haven't been able to catch a bid.
Yeah. Tim?
Dollar Gen is my turkey. It's down 43% on the year, but that's not the reason it's a turkey. They've revised earnings down 3 times already in the third quarter. They brought back their old CEO after bringing in a new CEO. Disinflation could be leading to deflation, and I think they may have more negative trends ahead.
Guy, at one point in time, Dollar Gen and the dollar stores in general would have been ones that you would have been thankful for. And then they quickly turned turkey this year.
100, and when people were trading down to the dollar stores, it made a lot of sense. Now people are trading down from the dollar stores, which is, again, reason for concern going forward.
Yeah. And, Steve, your turkey.
It's Rivian. Rivian is definitely the second best EV company out there, but their cash burn continues to disappoint. And just a little bit anecdotally, when you go to pre-order a Rivian, they charge you $1,000 for a pre-order. No one's going to slap it down, even though it's totally refundable. When you go to Tesla, they charge you $100 to pre-order the Cybertruck. The management team seems to be absent, and that is my turkey for the year, Rivian.
By the way, we have some developing story here. That turkey sound effect is Dan Money, who is a member of our Fast Money team back in Englewood Cliffs. Very talented.
So talented.
He's very good at video, and he's very good with sound effects, particularly birds. That will be
maybe next year we get him live doing that. Just watch him